problem clearly and then check the logic and answer step by step. Given in the question, mass of the object, m equals 2, text kg. Acceleration, a equals 1.5, text m per sec 2 to the right. Surface, horizontal and frictionless. 2 horizontal forces act on the block. F1, to the right, unknown. F2 equals 1, text n to the left. Asked, magnitude of F1, physics principle used Newton's second law. F text net equals ma. Since the acceleration is to the right, the net force is also to the right. Set the sign convention. Take rightward direction as positive. F1, positive. F2 equals 1, text n. Negative, acts left. So F text net equals F1 minus F2. Apply Newton's second law. ma equals F1 minus F2. Substitute values. 2, 1, 1, and 1. 3 equals F1 minus 1. F1 equals 4. Final answer. Boxed F1 equals
ማውቀውን ሁሉንም ሲያሳጣኝ ከፍቶኝ ተቀይሬ የሚያቀኝም ቢያጣኝ ፊቴ ተጨማዶ መልኬ ቢለወጥም ተደስቶ መሳቅ ጥርሴ ቢያቋርጥ ድህነትን በሞት መቼም አልለውጥ ሰባት ጊዜ ብወድቅም ሰባት ጊዜ ብወድቅም ሰባተኛ እነሳለሁ ከዜሮ መጀመርን አድጌበታለሁ ሰባት ጊዜ ብወድቅም ሰባት ጊዜ ብወድቅም ሰባተኛ እነሳለሁ ከዜሮ መጀመር